Shandong Goldenest Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is a famous enterprise which engaged in the design, research, and manufacture poultry and livestock automatic farm equipment. By now, Goldenest has accumulated about 30 years' experience in technical innovation. Goldenest covers an area of 13,000 square meters, factory area of 10,000 square meters, office and research building area 6,000 square meters. Goldenest have modern automated workshop, technical research and development department, engineering installation department, international business department, after-sales service department, located at Shenzhen Road, number 229, Economic Development Zone, Qingdao City, Shandong Province of China. Goldenest's poultry and pig equipment pay more attention to technical innovation and quality improvement. Our mainly product like broiler pan feeding line, poultry nipple drinking line, poultry feed silo feed hopper main filling line, breeder metering cylinder pan feeding line, breeder open trough chain feeding line, breeder and egg layer automatic egg nest system, manure fermentation compost, pig automatic feeding system, pig stall system, poultry house cooling and ventilation environment control system. Always get unanimous praise from our customers all over the world. Goldenest have exported integrated equipment to many countries and areas, which distributed in Southeast Asia, Middle East, South America, India and Pakistan, Australia and New Zealand, US and Canada, etc. Based on customers' requirement, Goldenest supply one-stop service, from design to offer, from production to shipping, from installation to after-sales warranty. Goldenest sincerely invite you come to visit our factory to learn with each other and make long-term business cooperation.